I got my special table and my stuff. Now, all the bolts and the beautifuls. Start over here. 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 There. Oh, oops. And there. 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 Yes. This one. Good old Black & Decker. Okay. Oops. Guys, aluminium bolts. I can't understand that. Okay, now let's move on. Then can pry it over there where I got my prying stuff. Let's see. Nope. This one. Nope. Over here. Yes. That was a good one. Yes. There he comes. Carefully not to pinch your fingers. There's a strong magnet. Carefully. See, it's all loose now. Sometimes it shoots back in place. Up. Now guys, we're gonna mount that cover back. Sure, it's oil free and it's nicely cleaned, which it is. This one. This engine really looks great. Then we're gonna give this a smear of liquid gasket. Here I got my liquid gasket. Here I got the engine part. Then now wait a minute. I like to do it like this. It needs to be very thin. Except over there, that rubber, there you can give it some more. Okay. Yes. Oh, oops, I don't like it to be inside. Okay. Okay, looks good. Old mechanic. Sure this will do. Sure it's touched everywhere, you don't have broken spots. Don't know how to call it. And now, okay, looks good. Looks good to me. And then, for now, I'm gonna push in the old aluminium bolts. Okay, and then I need my 30. This one. Yep. Few short ones. Long, short. Yes. Now we're gonna get it into place. Wait a minute, this one needs to be over there, just in case. It's in all the way. This, so be sure that, otherwise you have a problem. Then the magnet will draw right away. I knew, guys, I knew. This one needs to be like this. Yep. Yes. Yes. Now we're gonna just to get it a bit in the right place. So over here needs to be, and over there. Oh, that's a long one. That's a long one too. Okay, guys. Yes. See? Now it's nice, starting to get nicely in place. Okay. Okay. That one there. Yes. Yes. we have the longest bolts. Okay. Okay, let's see if the size then. Okay. Okay, up. Then let's see this one, this one. That's a long one too. Guys, I can't find at this moment the right stainless steel Torx bolt. So for now I'm gonna put in the aluminium bolts, as I have to tighten it. This long, this one. Sure, this one. And this one. Side longer. I guess this one. Yes. Yes. This one. This one. This one. At least a few turns in. That's, see, for now good. This one. Then this one. Up. And this one. Okay. Okay, I think. Okay. Well, finished with renewing this cap. Let's move on. Now guys, the next thing we're gonna do is put the side stand back. I got the two bolts. I'm gonna mount it with Loctite 243 medium strength. I don't like the high strength. You have to use heat to get it out again. And I always blow it a bit around. Okay, that's one. Then his brother, Louis. Yes. Okay. Now let's do it. Up, up, up. Let's see, it's over here. It's wrench 13. Comes in like this. Now, Louis. It's on the rear side. One. Yes, goes in. Okay, here, this one. Yep, there it goes. Yes. Okay. Sweet. Okay, this one. Yep. Oh. But guys, can't reach it with my torque wrench. So I'm gonna give it a nice snug. Something. Oh, oops. Like this. Yes. Okay. Then yes. Yep. Okay.